What's good, everyone? Today we're going to be going over OTE, or you can call it optimum trade entry. For you to understand this, you need to first understand what is premium and discount. You can see that on the video that I linked on top there. So for now, we're just going to go over a PDF so that you can get used to what it looks like, and then we're going to go over some examples. If you're looking to get funded, look no further than Gold Funded Trader. They offer a no time limit challenge so that you can show off your skills fully. They offer you up to 95% profit split, and you can obtain up to 800k worth of funding. They have first payout on demand, making it easy for you to withdraw your money after you've realized your profits. And after you complete the challenge, you obtain 100% of the refund fee. And when your profit target is met, Gold automatically closes your trades and makes you pass. So what are you waiting for? Get funded with Gold Funded Trader today. Click the link in the description below to learn more. Okay guys, first we're going to go over our Fib settings. In our Fib settings, we're going to be using 0, 0.5, 0.62, 0.705, 0.79, and 1. So when you pull the Fib, this is how it's going to look like. It's going to have your 1, your 79 all the way down to 07, and when you pull it from the other side, you would have your 1, your 79, and the other numbers that come. I'll show you how it looks like on TradingView. This is how it will look like on TradingView. Alright, so now let's go to the next. So in this section, I'm going to show you how to use the Fibonacci Retracement tool. So I would pull it from my swing high all the way down to my swing low. So if you don't know anything about swing highs or swing lows, I'll create a video on the next video that I'll be taking out. So basically, I'll be pulling it from swing high to a swing low, and you can see that it will open up and give me the retracement levels. So let's take it to TradingView right now so that we can have an example of this. Okay, for this example, we're going to be doing a bullish example. So we need to find our swing lows and swing high. So let's just play price here and let's see how it goes. Okay, we've got our swing low and our swing high there. So what we do is take the Fibonacci retracement tool and we pull it from that low to that high. Make sure that it's right on the wick. And what we expect is for price to come back to this area, which is discount. So let's let the video play. Let's see how it goes. And so that's what we'll be actually looking for. And then it pushed upward. Okay, let's look at another example. We see price came all the way down to the 0.75 and the 7.8 there, and it's slowly turning, and we get a push downward. Our target will be basically the swing low down here. There you go. So just like that. So this is basically how we use our Fibonacci retracement tool when we are looking for reversals, or you can say retracements to reversals. So we're going to be looking at lining up our entries with our PD arrays. So what we usually do when price gets to this level, we look to the left to see whether we can find fair value gaps or order blocks. So when you look to the left right here, you find that price actually got into a fair value gap and then it pushed downwards. So let's see whether we can find these in the examples that we outlined before. In this example of Euro USD, we have pulled our Fib from the high to a low. So let it totally form and then follow price. All right, as you can see, when price is here, we see that it's reached our OTE zone. As you can see here, the OTE, when we look to the side, we identify a fair value gap, which is within the OTE level. So we then can take a trade from that fair value gap. So you need to find the PDRAs that line up with your OTE and then use them as confluence. So remember, every time you are trading a chart, you always have to have confluence. Which levels are you trading from? Is there an order block? Is there a fair value gap? Is there a void? So you need to make sure that all these things line up so that you can take a valid trade. Okay, then lastly, we've got this type of retracement into the OTE where we can find that there's the swing high and the swing low. You see that price goes back. Most probably within this wick, you will find a fair value gap and an order block on a lower time frame. So it retraces back. You see the green candle comes back and then it pushes down. So just like pulling from a swing high to a swing low, you also do the same by pulling on a swing high and a swing low right here. Price goes all the way back into OTE, as you can see, and then it comes all the way down. This is much more easier when I am showing you practically. So let's go to the charts. All right, right now we're going to be on Euro USD as an example. So now we've pulled our fib from the swing low to the swing high. Now we will watch price. Now it's got to the OTE. So after price gets to the OTE, we'll zoom down to a lower time frame. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. All right, now that we're on the 15-minute, we now wait for a displacement in price. And then we get a nice displacement there, which produced a fair value gap down here. So now what you do, you take your fib and you anchor it from the low to the high. So let's follow this price. It almost reached our fib there, our OTE, I mean. We follow it right there. Continue to follow it. We follow it right there. Price, that's our OTE, and what you do, you take your long entry, would have put it at OTE, and then you risk the low down here, and we take this high right there. So let's play price and see what happens. And there you go. So basically this is the basic way on how to use optimum trade entry. I'd like to give credits to TT Trades, is the one who actually helped me out and made me understand this whole concept. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and you would want more videos like this, comment, like, and subscribe. I have a PDF down in the description of this video, which will outline the OTE and the settings so that you can use for yourself. This is Tony from AA Global, and I'll see you later.